Here's a pro tip on how to use a brick ruler. First off, turn it around where there's not all the inch markings and you'll see the layouts. You'll see numbers. So the courses are the first number and then the number you're laying on is the second number. So we want 3 courses on a 5 for this particular instance to achieve the number we want to of courses and height of the courses. So we mark the first 5, second 5, and then the third 5 will have the top of the brick over the block so there won't be anything to mark. So we're only putting 2 hashes. The hash for the top of the first brick and the hash for the top of the second brick. And we're leveling across and doing the same thing on the other end of the porch. Now, when constructing any porch, brick porch, what have you, you do the corners first. Then you run in between. You constantly plumb level and square the corner as you build it because everything else will follow that. As with all construction, your layout is crucial and critical to the success of the structure you're building. If you want it to be perfect and square and everything, you have to lay it out right. This takes the most time. It's the most time consuming, but it is the most worth it. Many times you'll see people do steps wrong. They'll have different height steps, different amounts of brick revealed, and that is because they did not lay out properly. Your steps should all be 8 inches or under if you're in this region. We aim for 7 3/4 inch rise on each step. In order to achieve that, the first step should be a 5.5 inch rise before the limestone. That means 2 bricks should be revealed once the limestone's on for each step to have an even 7 3/4 inch rise.